we'll guide you through how to create an Asana video tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Asana account on your desktop and navigate to the project you want to create a tutorial for. Once you're in the project, you can start by outlining the key tasks or features you want to highlight in your video. It's a good idea to prepare a script or a list of points you want to cover to make the tutorial informative and concise. After you've planned your content, you'll need a screen recording software. OBS Studio is a popular choice and it's free to use. Download and install OBS Studio if you haven't already. Open OBS Studio and set up a new scene by clicking on the plus icon under the Sources panel. Choose Display Capture to record your entire screen, or Window Capture if you only want to record the Asana window. Make sure your microphone is set up correctly so you can provide narration throughout the tutorial. Hit the Start Recording button to begin capturing your screen. As you go through the tutorial, demonstrate how to use Asana effectively by explaining each step clearly. You can show how to create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and use different project views like the list or board view. Don't forget to pause if you need to explain something in detail. Once you're done recording, click Stop Recording and save your video file. You might want to edit the video to remove any unnecessary parts and add text overlays or annotations for clarity. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro, or even free options like Shotcut, can help with this. Finally, export your edited video and upload it to your preferred platform, whether that's YouTube, Vimeo, or a company intranet. Don't forget to add a descriptive title and include timestamps in the description if your tutorial is lengthy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.